The Loma House emerges from the dunes of Costa Esmeralda, a private development on the Argentinian coast. Nestled amidst young forests and native pastures, 390 kilometers from Buenos Aires, the house carves its own space on a dramatic slope. Maritime pines stand guard, their presence a constant reminder of the wild beauty surrounding the property. The challenge for the architects was to create a summer home that respected the natural landscape, minimizing alterations to the topography and existing trees. Uniquely, the lot itself provided a solution. A dramatic 6-meter rise from the access road offered a natural barrier, granting privacy without the need for additional fencing. The clients envisioned a house built entirely of exposed concrete, a material known for its strength and durability. However, they also desired a touch of contrast, a detail that would break the monotony of the concrete and echo the natural textures of the surroundings. The solution came in the form of strategically placed quebracho wood panels, their warm tones and organic patterns complementing the cool industrial feel of the concrete. Functionality was paramount. The program called for a master suite with an en-suite bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms with a shared bathroom for visiting children, and a social area that seamlessly integrated with the outdoors. This social space, encompassing the living room, dining area, and kitchen, became the heart of the house, a place designed for relaxation and connection with nature. To navigate the significant slope, the architects devised a clever solution. A comfortable staircase with 5 landings ascended alongside the neighboring lot, offering a gradual climb. This path culminated in a courtyard, a sheltered space inspired by the vertical lines of the quebracho boards lining the staircase. This courtyard became the central organizing element, offering privacy and additional living area, all while remaining hidden from the gaze of neighbors. Within the courtyard, a doorway led to the social area. Here, the exposed concrete equipment, a defining feature of the house, took center stage, seamlessly integrating the living room, dining area, and kitchen into one cohesive space. A corridor, visually connected to the courtyard, led to the secondary bedrooms and the shared bathroom. Finally, the master suite awaited at the end of the path, its low horizontal window framing a view of the street and offering access back to the courtyard, creating a sense of cyclical flow. One final challenge remained: how to announce the entrance to the house, hidden from view by the dramatic slope. The architects opted for a subtle yet impactful solution. They broke the building's orthogonal form by introducing a slight turn in the staircase and courtyard wall. This twist, visible from the street, created a distortion in the concrete volume, effectively announcing the hidden entrance and hinting at the architectural gem nestled within the dunes.